Guys, in Amsterdam this week, not in the studio, just thought I'd bring you a very short video about the DJI Osmo Pocket. Yeah, you've probably seen a lot of these videos over time. I mean, I myself have used this device for probably about a year, on and off with other products. And quite frankly, I've had a new lease of life with this, and I've bought a bunch of gadgets, accessories if you will. Also, excuse the lighting because, like I said, I'm not in the studio, I'm in a hotel room. But the one gadget that I bought that I thought was going to be a game changer has turned out to be a little bit disappointing. What is that? Find out in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. If you haven't stopped by here before, please be sure to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, I've had a bit of a resurgence, I suppose, maybe the right word, and I've really started to use the DJI Osmo Pocket. In fact, I'm kind of filming on that now. Yeah, I've bought a bunch of accessories. I'm going to post up some video links up there so you can have a look. But the one thing that I bought, which I thought was going to be an absolute game changer, was this. Ta-da! This, my friends, is a USB-C to 3.5mm audio adapter. My God, you know, if there's one thing I've criticised over time, the DJI Osmo Pocket, that has been a lack of accessories. So yes, we have got some accessories coming down the line. In fact, I've got the thumb wheel and the Wi-Fi adapter, and this was a game changer for me. I've also bought the stick, and again put the video up there for that. But yeah, you know, absolute excitement came down on me. But one thing that I've always criticised with the DJI Osmo Pocket is the audio. So I thought, yeah, you know, I waited for ages to get this little gadget, and man, I was so pleased when it turned up. So here it is, brilliant. So for me, this will enable me to put a regular microphone into this adapter and have crystal clear audio. Fantastic. So what did I invest in? I invested in these. Yes, the Rode Video Micro. No, it's not. That's something else. It's the Rode Wireless Go. That's what they are. I mean, quite frankly, I should remember because I just did a video on them. Yeah, you know the drill. So, this for me was going to be absolutely brilliant. I use these now to shoot in the studio, so I pop the receiver, that plugs into the camera. I leave that on my camera rig set up with my, well, I was using the Canon M50, but if you've been following any of my videos, you know that actually I use the M50 now, and I use that for certain things, but my go-to now is the Sony A6400 with the Sigma 16mm 1.4 aperture lens. Again, video up there. A lot of videos to kind of point out. Please watch them. In any case, this has been brilliant. These are absolutely fantastic because once that's plugged onto the camera, leave it alone. This thing, it's got a built-in mic, or you can plug in lavalier mic, and you know, you can kind of just clip that to your shirt, either inside, outside. Anyway, if you've watched the video, you'll get the idea. And you can walk around, you've got freedom, you've got no wires, and I thought this thing is going to be awesome for the DJI Osmo Pocket. This, you use this cable, it's still in the bag, and for good reason. And away you go. Along the DJI Osmo Stick thing, which I wish I had it with me in the hotel to show you, but basically it's like a selfie stick. DJI Osmo plugs in, you take off either the smartphone adapter, or for me at the moment I've got the thumb wheel plugged onto it. You take that off, it then plugs into the top of the stick using the port that you use for this smartphone adapter. And then you've got all the remote functionality, so you can extend that thing out, and you've got all the functionality on the buttons. You've also got a mobile phone cradle, so you can plug in your mobile phone, or if you've got the wireless adapter, you can actually connect your mobile phone wirelessly, and that kind of frees up your USB port, or your USB-C port I should say. But the trouble is, this does not work if you're using the Wi-Fi adapter. Even though you've got a USB-C port in the back of the Wi-Fi adapter, DJI, whether it's hardware or whether it's firmware, they've not enabled the audio signals to be passed through, right, which is standard USB-C. What they've done is they've just enabled the power so that you can charge the thing up, and that's it. So, I mean, everything was thought of in terms of the selfie stick, because you've got a cold shoe, hot shoe, wherever you come from, but you've got an adapter to a mount to clip this onto, and then that will just, you know, plug into your DJI Osmo Pocket. That's all at that end. This you can be as far as you like away, because quite frankly it's wireless and the distance is pretty darn good, certainly longer than your arm. You've got a perfect solution, but quite frankly it doesn't work. So I've invested £50 in this, and my usage for it is not going to be any good. In fact, it's going to be bloody useless. Maybe I shouldn't say because quite frankly, now you have to sign a disclaimer on YouTube, this is fit for kids. A lot of kids are using much worse language than that. Sorry, mum and dad. But in any case, I should beat that out, be the good corporate citizen that I'm not. But anyway, that's useless. So it's one or the other. So it's either plug your phone in which case you're losing the USB port anyway, or the, USB port, that's right, lost my thread then. Or you try and use wireless, but you've lost the USB port, because even though the port's there, you can't use it. So pretty frustrating, DJI. I mean, you've got me back. You know, up until now, I've been using the, guilty, I've been using the DJI Osmo Action, but more so than that, I've been using the GoPro. I mean, the app's better, the functionality of the camera, it's better built, it's, don't get me wrong, DJI products are good, and I love the drones. I've got a couple of the drones, as you may well know. Don't worry, I'm not going to link them, but I have. But quite frankly, I am a little bit annoyed, to say the least, that this is like so short-sighted. I mean, we were getting somewhere, DJI, we were getting somewhere, and now you've gone and spoilt it. So come on, guys, if anyone listens to any of these, or if you have got a nice channel where DJI might actually listen to you. I mean, they're not going to listen to me, because I've only been here 5 minutes, and quite frankly it's a struggle. But no, in every seriousness, if anyone's got any communications to DJI, or they've got any DJI products, or they've got some comments, or even if they know of some secret firmware that makes it all work, let me know, guys, in the comment section below. Because quite frankly, I'm a bit sad. I thought I was getting somewhere with DJI, and now I feel like I'm kind of going back to square one. So let me know, guys, in the comment section below what you think, or if you found a way to make this work. That would be fantastic news also. But until then, guys, I've got some great microphones. I've got a ton load of DJI accessories now, which is something I moaned about a lot for a long time. But I really wanted to have good audio quality, and I don't, and that's really sad. Because I'm sitting in this hotel room, I've no idea how this audio is going to come out. Am I going to have to manipulate it in post? Maybe. But I was really looking forward to having some very good audio. That's the letdown. Picture quality, superb. Functionality, superb. Pocketability, superb. Audio quality, room for improvement. This is the improvement. This I thought was going to take me on a journey to get there. Quite frankly, we ain't getting nowhere. But anyway guys, like I said, comments, questions in the comment section below. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens. Thanks ever so much for watching, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.